What's going on, guys? Ian here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles at Mansfield, Texas. Got another bike I want to show you today. Got a 2013 Harley-Davidson 1200 Custom. It's got a nice chrome air filter cover on it. This one actually does already have a performance upgrade, slip-on Vance & Hine mufflers. That's an upgrade. Bike's got a nice gloss black paint job with silver pinstriping. Comes with an upgraded 2-up seat for the rider and passenger. Mag wheel on the back. Rear tires got plenty of tread. Don't have to worry about changing that anytime soon. Does already have chrome levers installed. Chrome headlight cover. That's an upgrade. As you can tell, no rock chips on the front fender. That's always a positive. Along with plenty of tread on the front tire. All in all, it's a pretty nice bike. Nice little badge on the gas tank right there. See how many miles we have on this one. 2,305 miles. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see what the pipes sound like. Started up real smooth, no hesitation, no smoking. All in all, a real nice motorcycle, a great bike to get you started on, make it yours. This bike is eligible for our extended warranty program, along with great financing. If you'd like to talk about our sales team about this motorcycle, you can contact them at 817-985-8888. Or if you want to see more pictures about this motorcycle in more detail, you can get on our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. And we ship bikes all around the world. It wouldn't take nothing to get this thing to your front door for you. Well, this is Ian with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.